the zero sugar. Now I've got to point out this. Hi Lord, and welcome to another Mountain Dew review. It's another Mountain Dew. It's the Baja Caribbean Splash, or Caribbean Splash, or Caribbean Splash. Either way, it's a new Mountain Dew. It's a 355ml can, and it is 170 calories. I paid £1.70 for this accidentally. It should have been £1.49, and I took it to the counter, and the lady didn't know how much it was. She goes, do you know how much this is? And I said £1.70, because I was quoting the calories. So I ended up paying £1.70 for it. Let's find out what this is all about. Oh, it smells like that typical creamy Mountain Dew smell. It smells really nice. And Caribbean, yeah, I get the pineapple coconut kind of thing. It does actually say on there, dew with a blast of natural and artificial guava. It's pink. It's creamy. I wouldn't have said that was Caribbean or Caribbean or guava. This has 55 milligrams of caffeine in it. With the 160 I just did with that Monster review, I'm going to be fucking flying home. It's like a fruit punch kind of drink, but without the fruit punch. I don't know who designs these cans, but they do stand out. Fucking guava. But it's kind of typical of what you expect for a Mountain Dew. It's got that creamy taste to it. It's kind of like a fruity taste, but I'm not going to say it's diluted, but it tastes a bit bland. It's more like a fruit punch kind of thing, but Caribbean makes you think of coconuts and pineapples and possibly bananas, but no, it's got guavas, no bananas. I will stick it in the middle though. I'm going to give it a 5. Would I recommend it? No, I don't think so, because there are better Mountain Dews that are the same price. And if you like Mountain Dew as a brand, then yeah, maybe try it once, but they aren't cheap and they are high in calories. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, you take care, Jack.